Welcome ladies and gentlemen to Excel for Professionals. In this course, I'm going to show you how easy it is to design your own sales dashboard. The course basically follows a structured approach, so please do not skip any of the lessons. Also make sure that you fully understand one concept before moving on to the next. Let's now quickly look at the course outline. So we will start by understanding our dataset and look at additional information. We will also go into mapping tables. Then we will look at reports and charts, which reports to include, which charts to include in our sales dashboard. Then we will also look at two special projects. Then we will look at our dataset in a little bit more detail. We will then move on to pivot table, additional functions. Then we will build all the reports that we will use in our dashboard. Then we will build all the charts that we will use in our dashboard. Then I will show you how to make your charts and your reports more dynamic. Then we will go into dashboard design. From there onwards, we will look at the two special projects. Then I will show you how to set up your template. And then lastly, we will look at financial reporting, and we will look at what happens in a case where a company's financial year end goes from July to June. And that, ladies and gentlemen, will conclude our Excel course for professionals. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly show you where we're going to start and basically where the course is going to end. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the data set that we are going to start with. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to transform this data set to the following dashboard. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the dashboard that I'm going to teach you how to set up and design this beautiful sales dashboard. This dashboard, ladies and gentlemen, is a fully dynamic dashboard. Let me quickly show you what I mean by fully dynamic. This is the sales dashboard for ABC Pty Limited, and we are now looking at the Bellville branch. So if we, for example, want to look at the Deep River branch, all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Deep River. And now you can see, ladies and gentlemen, all the information are now displayed for Deep River. All the charts, all the sales information are now pertaining to Deep River. Similarly, if we say we want to look at Milnerton, I'm going to then click on Milnerton. All of this information will then dynamically change and it will display all the information for Milnerton only. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go from a basic data set that's going to look like this. And then I'm going to show you how we are going to go from this to this. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is what you will be able to do after the completion of this course. So good luck, and I see you in the first lesson. Goodbye for now.